One, two, 1, 2. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world.
Hello.
Hello, Janar.
How are you, Thomas? I'm okay.
Not too bad. Who's got their Christmas trees up already?
What Christmas?
Christmas tree. Have you got it up yet?
No.
Are you getting it up on the 24th?
No, I will visit my parents. They are gonna see Christmas tree.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, Thomas.
Hey, Lisa. Merry Christmas. Well, not yet. We are at the run-up to Christmas. Do you want some Christmas songs?
Yes.
Hey, Tortoise, how you doing?
All good, Thomas. How are you?
All good in the hood.
Good. Some Michael Bublé song might help.
I can't do that. Copyrights.
Oh
Battery
yeah, of course.
90%. Connected to NANPC.
Oh, you're live on YouTube. That's why. Okay.
Yep. I have it on
YouTube.
on the vinyl. You know the
Yeah. I
black
know.
vinyls.
Yes.
So we're gonna put it on Christmas. But let's get you some Christmas songs. Can you hear the music?
Yes. So news today is quite packed, isn't it?
Can you remind me what news we have today?
Oh, we have ADP weekly employment change, 15.
Yeah, it's coming up in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Then we have NFP, retail sales, unemployment rate, and later PMI services and manufacturing.
Absolutely.
So
yeah, it's very packed today. A lot of news. We will talk about it in a minute. When everyone's here, we got quite a few people already.
Good evening, Thomas.
Hello, Ram.
Hey Thomas.
Hey, Dorothy.
Good afternoon. How are you? All right.
Very good, thank you.
You're good. You're good.
Okay, so as mentioned before by one of my colleagues, we have a pretty packed day ahead of us. In about 13 minutes, we get the ADP Employment Change Weekly Report, which is quite a new set of time series data. Only been released 6 weeks ago, the first one amid the government shutdown, thanks to the guys at ADP, which is one of the biggest payroll providers in the whole world. Then we have sleepy. Then we have non-farm payrolls, along with retail sales and unemployment rate, which is just insane. Alone, these data sets are pretty strong, especially NFP, but retail sales and unemployment are strong as well. And we have 4 at the same time. So let's see. It's very Christmas now. A lot of people is missing from the stream.
Yep. But outside doesn't seem like it's Christmas.
Yeah, definitely no snow here. One of my friends sent just now they're having lunch in Miami, and they have Christmas decorations all over the place, which is weird. I don't know, for me it's unimaginable to have Christmas above 30 degrees, but with global warming I may get to experience that. Last few years ago at Christmas on the 24th we had 20 degrees, which is insane. When I grew up, we always had at least a meter of snow, and I used to live in a family house on the corner, so I had to shovel 2 fucking sides of the house on the street. I hate it, but now I miss it.
I believe that. Yeah, long time no hours now in Christmas.
Well, we have decoration here in the Caribbean also, Thomas.
Yep.
Yeah,
Just
this is really is weird. Yeah, it's weird. I used to live in Europe, and that difference is weird. Yeah, 35 Celsius and Christmas tree.
Alvin, did you live in the Netherlands?
Yes,
Yeah, I can hear it by your accent.
Amsterdam.
Yes.
You? You live there now?
Yeah, I live in the Netherlands, yes.
Ah, yeah. I hear your accent also now. Yeah.
I don't want to say anything in Dutch. I remember a couple of words.
Goedemorgen.
Yeah, one of them. Mine was a lot worse than that.
Yeah.
Heard it way too many times when I was working there.
All right. Nice.
20 odd years ago.
Okay.
I was
Where
in
is-
Amsterdam a few times. We lived outside Nieuw-Vennep,
Oh,
Hoofddorp
Nieuw-Vennep.
area. Yeah, Nieuw-Vennep.
Yeah, it's near the airport.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Was nice. That was
Nice,
back
yeah,
in
yeah.
the 2000,
Oh, okay.
1999, 2000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where you living now?
Hungary.
Hungary. Okay.
Yeah.
Not
Not that
bad.
far. It was too
No.
windy and too rainy. Every morning, I had to cycle to work every morning, and it was raining, and it was wind.
Oh,
Always blowing my face. Doesn't matter if I went in the morning from Risenhout to Newfoundland or the way back, that was wind all the time. Just
oh man.
too much.
Can imagine. Yeah.
Well, you guys Hungarians always complain about everything.
Yeah, yeah, you have to. That's the nature.
Yeah.
Only thing I
Nothing is
remember
ever
in
good.
Dutch is like kan je
whoa,
kan me
no swear
je
words.
check betalen.
No swear words, Maria, please.
No. It's
right.
like, can I have my check or something like that?
Ah, okay.
Oh, mijn rekening. Kan ik
Oh,
mijn
yeah.
rekening krijgen? Ja, mijn rekening.
Okay, yeah.
Hoe
En
gaat het?
lekker.
Is smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk.
How are you? Bon appetit.
Dat is interessant.
Hoe gaat het? Ja.
Hoe gaat het?
Hoe gaat het? Yeah.
I just had
We
two...
were for 2 years. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. We just had two Dutch guys. We had it's weird to explain, but you know how sausages are made, right? You kill the pig, you do your cooking, and you stuff it back into its own intestines. So, I know it's weird, but anyway, we have a tradition. So we had pig skilling actually this weekend, and we had two Dutch guys. They were very friendly, and it wasn't their first time. I thought Dutch people are more resilient to alcohol, but these two were like very weak. So they didn't pass out though, and they showed up the next day as well. So cheers for that. But no, actually I can say they were okay with the drinking. They had balls.
Oh yeah, they don't accustom to the killing and those things. No, I don't. I used to go to Germany, and there we do the pigs, the wild pigs.
Yeah.
Just to hunt them down. Yeah, ox, yeah. But deers normally, but in the Netherlands they don't do that kind of things.
That's why they come to Eastern Europe.
Yeah, it was more like East Germany where I was. That's normal there, over there.
And have you ever had in the UK it's called black pudding, but it's actually black sausage. It's very common in many parts of the world, especially in even in Korea and the former Soviet Union. It's just bloody tasty. It's one of the best things in the world.
Thomas, there are two different things almost, you can say. One is sausage and one isn't sausage.
The one is sausage, the other one?
Yeah, isn't.
Which one?
But they're almost same.
Which one isn't?
The bloody.
Sorry? 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Which one is it?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Pudding. Hello, Kiza. Oh, gold is
Pudding is
pumping.
like almost like meat, pork meat. Sometimes they put like beef blood in it as well, but it's not like a sausage. It's like a cutlet or like a patty.
I've seen it in the UK, and I thought they use the same black sausage, just slice it up. Is it different then? But
It's a different, yeah. Basically, it's they both usually have blood in it, so that's the same.
Okay.
But the blacks, like the blood sausage, is a bit different. We make it actually with some family members almost every year.
In Germany?
It's disgusting. No, Estonia.
Estonia. Oh yeah, good. Yeah, it's why is it disgusting? Well, the making is
To make it is quite like, you have
yeah, but you like it.
mix
don't
the
you?
blood and I love it. It's like the best thing in the
Good.
world.
dirty girl. Yeah, it's delicious, and you know the traditional sausage as well with the paprika. Mate, I love it. I love it.
It makes me
When
really
guys are
hungry
talking
right
about-
now.
Sorry, go ahead.
You makes me hungry. You makes you hungry. Oh, what did you say?
Yeah, that's it. It makes me hungry.
This year we made 287 kilograms of sausage, and that was only the sausage. We made, you know, the liver pate, smoked liver pate, black sausage. I think it was about 100 kilos, and all sorts of other things. Oh god, it's brilliant. The freezer is full, so I had to buy a second one.
We got some lamb. What do you call it? Baby lamb. Lamb? The small ones.
Yeah.
6 month olds. Yeah. So our freezer is full of that right now.
You kill a 6-month-old baby lamb.
Yeah.
How
Sorry.
cool you are.
Mm-hmm.
Now that's not cool. I think it's
1
cool.
minute.
Oh, for the ADP. Let's check. Let me just lower the volume a little bit. Okay, is the volume and the screen okay now? Can you see everything?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so people are going mad. What's your take on NFP? Kai doesn't show up these days. Yeah, he's a lazy one. Okay, we got 30 seconds until ADP employment change. The game plan exactly the same. I didn't mention because I expect everyone to know. Because you guys never say that. Oh, Thomas, can you tell us, you know, how to do the analysis? So I assume that everyone knows it. But I explain. So ADP is almost like NFP. If it's significantly higher, 3,
2, 1.
If it's significantly lower, it's going to push gold up. If it's higher, it's going to push gold down. And the dynamics behind it is just pure economics related to labor market and the anticipation of monetary policy. Shout the number if you can see it, because it hasn't showed up on my economic calendar yet.
You have a time for that one? I just have tentative or...
No, it's now.
Oh, really? Okay.
1:15, 1:15. They always late with this one.
It just says tentative on Forex Factory. Hey, okay.
Yeah, they always late with this one. 16.25, so it's slightly higher, but it's very low. So I think we're good with the longs on gold. This is the number, 16,000. 16 and a quarter. Despite the fourfold number compared to the previous one, it's nothing. And I will wait for NFP. So many people asking what's my anticipation for NFP. To be honest, it's always a surprise. So it doesn't matter what you think. Most of the time, it's all what it used to be a surprise. These days, maybe not. What do you think? We haven't had a big surprise for a long time. Maybe last month there's a bit of surprise. 119,000.
It's insane the amount of data is coming out. People will focus on NFP, but
Yeah,
it's just
we had worse before. We had worst.
And I think NFP will be higher because the job has been going lower.
I'm gonna hold the long positions, but as I mentioned before, gold is still in an upward sending channel, very close to the previous all-time high, and I explained over the years that when you see prices retesting an all-time high, not immediately, because it can result in a double top, and usually, you see it happens what you see right here, but when price slowly but in an orderly fashion claims back to previous all-time high territory, so when it starts consolidating below a previous all-time high, and after some time it builds the pressure back and the power back, and it starts consolidating below the previous all-time high, imagine how many people, so it did once with the double top, or twice, but the second or third time when it's trying to do the same thing, imagine how many people putting their stop losses into this area and they go into short right at the previous all-time high price level, and that is a trap, because imagine how many stop losses are sitting just above the previous all-time high price. So if people miss it once, they're trying to jump on second or third time, or even fourth, depending on how many times it retests, but it always ends up in the same way, a massive short squeeze. Because what happens is professional traders, they lure all the suckers in, they push the price back up to the previous all-time high price, like here, and as you've been all taught, or as we've all been taught, put your stop loss above the previous high, etc. But it doesn't matter how high stop loss you use, because this small area right here is already 300 pips. So, and most of the traders, especially CFD traders, they don't use 300 pip stop losses, apart from myself and some other people. If you have a good risk management, you don't even need a stop loss. Long story short, if price is consolidating below a previous all-time high, it's 99% that price will spike through, make a short squeeze, and then drop. That is one of the oldest playbooks in history of trading. And not just trading, every other market as well, where you have two sides, buy and sell side. Let's have a look at the open position. It's running at 50 pips profit. As you can see, ADP weekly employment data came out quite weak, 16,000 for November. Sorry, for the last week. ADP is last week. It's a weekly data. And I think traders are already anticipating a weak NFP number. Let's have a look at the yields. Because yields never lie. Yeah, it's still at 3.5%.
market didn't react at all to ADP.
Because we have NFP today, so why would they? I think maybe it was the initial reaction to and the initial welcome of the ADP number. Ooh, we get 7 minutes until NFP. How? What do you think NFP is going to be today? The forecast is 40k. Which is very reasonable.
I think it's going to be higher.
Higher than 40. Okay.
Yep.
So let's have a bet, Janar. You say 40k, right?
Higher is 40, yep.
Okay, I say it's going to be between -10 and 20,000. I should pick a number. I think it's going to be 15,000. Anyone else wants to give it a go?
12,300.
Maria says how much?
12,300.
3.5k. It's very specific. Okay, anyone else? The winner gets a... Dave is 25k. The winner gets a warm handshake.
11k.
Ram says 11k. Come on. Anything else? 100,000, 200,000?
No, I'm... I don't know why.
99,000.
99,000.
5 million.
No. 60. I said 60, not 99.
Levi said 99.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, 73,000.
73.
Yes. Make it 74.
It's too late, babe. It's already out.
Okay.
No change. Okay, thank you so much. The bets are closed. The closest, whoever is the closest, will get a pat on the shoulder.
Sounds good.
Nice one.
Okay. Someone says 2k. Is this guy... As a question, is this guy not paid to do the countdowns? No, he's just very nice. He's my professional countdowner. Very nice. Got 4 minutes left. Let's go through again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we have a bunch of data because next week is Christmas. So what they did, they put many of the data for this week. We have ADP weekly employment change, which just came out 16,000. Quite disappointing for an economy like the US. And then we have NFP today, aka non-farm payrolls. Forecast is 40,000. We had a friendly in-house bet that who's going to... so everyone made their bets, and the closest to the actual number will get a pat on the back and a warm handshake. From who, I have no idea. And also we have retail sales, unemployment rate, and then S&P Global Manufacturing, but this is not... I don't really trade S&P because not the strong data. So NFP is important because it tells the health of the job market, the labor market. How many jobs have been created? Apologies. So how many jobs have been created outside the manufacturing industry, because as you know, the US is heavily a service-based economy and not farming. The higher the number, the more worry the Fed will have, because they have to push down inflation. But inflation is not they're really concerned. They're more concerned about full employment. So actually, if non-farm payroll comes out significantly high, it will push down gold. If it comes out in line with expectation, it's going to push up gold to higher, even new all-time highs. If it's negative, it's going to be exactly... No, that's going... hold on. If it's high enough... put down. If it's negative... yeah, it's going to push up gold. Okay, got it. I posted a front-running position, which is running currently in 70 pips already. So if you want to get front-running positions, go to alphafx.eu and you get delivered every single day, apart from when it's not. You can find a discount link in the YouTube chat, which is going to be a surprise. And we got 1 minute left for ADP. Place your bets in the YouTube chat. And let's have a look. We got 44 seconds. This is the last NFP of the year. The last most important macroeconomic data. We're already running at 70, 80 pips profit. Clean, clean, clean. If you see the data, shout it out immediately. The NFP data.
15.
Come on, Yanar. Do your job.
10, 9, 8.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The last NFP of the year, ladies and gentlemen. Coming up. Slowly.
64.
Slowly. 64,000.
Wow. I was close, huh?
I was expecting. Yeah, what was yours? 60...
73.
73. Actually, it's Quiza who made 60.
Oh, it's true.
Well
It's true.
done. Well done, brother.
I was there. I was 10 out, really, wasn't I?
So now we need to
Congrats.
determine how the market is going to react to this one, because this is, I think it's in line with expectation. There's only 24. Oh, no, hold on. It's 64,000. They changed it.
No, it was 64.
No, it was 64, yeah.
No, it was 60.
No, you said Quizar was 60.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, Quizar was 60. Okay, so I think it's in line with expectations. So let's have a look at the front-running position. I think it's low enough number for the Fed to carry on with the interest rate cuts. So I'm going to enter with another buy as we speak.
And unemployment was increasing.
Yeah, let's have it. Oh, yeah, we have other data as well. Thank you, Janar, for pointing out. Retail sales, quite disappointing. Less than 1%. Unemployment rate, 4.6. Whoo! They really need to introduce a new rate cut. Full margin buys. This is not a financial advice, but most expectations is that gold will create a new all-time high today or before CPI. And now we just wait. Is it going to be an easy buy, or are we gonna get hammered again? First stop loss is always at the previous high, which is 4,345. That would give us 535 pips. Currently, my position, the front-running position, which I sent out before the stream, only for the VIP members, is running at 178 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it again with the AlphaWorks. Well done.
Amazing, thank you.
Yeah, well done, well done, well done. We are in deep profits. The second position is running at 40 pips. Yeah, I keep saying to guys, I don't know why. Someone just messaged me that he lost money because of a signal service. Guys, you need to join the Alpha FX. I mean, the last 4 months we've been printing money, and not being cocky or ego, but it was the easiest 4 months of my life. Macroeconomics, just so simple. Trading view themes. Okay, guys, positions running in profit. Very nice. When is your TP1? It's always, TP1 is always the previous high. Which high? Well, we just reached one of them. But if you, it depends on where you entered. So the previous high, one of them is actually now at 4,300. And because it's a round number, you can expect a pullback. So if you entered, if you're a member and if you entered with me at a lower price, you should be up 150, 180 pips. You can take profit if you want. It's not financial advice. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait 4,346. US 30 and NASDAQ. We can have a look, but I don't want to touch NASDAQ or US 30 now. But I'm bearish on both, to be honest. Especially NASDAQ. If you read any financial news, you should be aware that investors are not touching anything related to AI. Because the increasing costs and the depth around the AI projects. Well done, Quiza, for winning the bet.
It was inside information.
Yeah. Did you call Powell?
His cousin, yeah. Talking about Powell, when is leaving the Fed? It's like March next year or April. Kinda curious to see who's next.
To be honest, I like Powell, but I want someone with balls, and I'm not talking about a man. I want someone who makes more exciting decisions, surprises, and just bring back the life to monetary policy meetings and decisions. Someone who stirs up the still water.
You want the volatility that comes with it.
Mate, it was so good for before. Who was the?
No idea. I'm with only Powell. I'm trading with only Powell. He had
I need to Google
two
it.
terms, right? Biden and Trump, or no. Wasn't Trump in 2016 that appointed Powell? I think so.
It was. I think it was him. Powell is on.
Thomas,
Janet Yellen before him, right?
the October NFP was minus 105.
Did they release the October NFP?
Yep. Scroll up.
Ooh, they did. Look at that, minus 105k. But apparently they promised, or they said that the saying was that they're never going to release the October one. Was it this that Trump tried to hide?
I think, yeah.
Full margin buy on gold. Did they just release now?
It was 1 minute before the November NFP.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna hold the long positions. Now this should have enough. This should have consequences on the market. They should push gold up high enough. Yeah. If you're not a member and if you want front-running positions and signals, look to your right into the YouTube chat. There's a discount link.
Just look it up. It's on May 2026.
The next TP was 4,326.
Anything you want. But yeah, let's have a look at my trading view. So my preference when it comes to TPs, and this is purely my preference. So let's say you entered somewhere around here before the push or at the push. Now, the only thing you need to do is look left and take profit at the first previous resistance or support, depending the direction of the market. So you can see that the previous resistance lines up with the daily pivot. So this is a perfect time to lock in some profits. But if you entered at a lower price, and if you have the balls to hold strong enough, just take profit at the next previous resistance. Yeah, technical analysis I use only for entries, to determine entries and exits.
Yeah, I barely go to the third TP. I want to be on the safe side and I want to have a nice Christmas.
That's daily resistance is very stubborn. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I'm back. Someone tell Thomas we are in the chat. Ah, okay, you placed your bets. Good. Very boring NFP.
Yep.
Oh, we did manage to catch money. The morning Bitcoin position hasn't moved too much. Yep, that position was entered before NFP, the one which reached almost 200 pips. If you want to get signals, if you want to get daily analysis from a real economist and a person who worked at the fixed income and cash equities desk, aka myself, go to alphafax.eu. You can read about me and you can join. That was old. I missed the old days. That was my desks. That was my station. That's my feet. So go to alphafax.eu and get a full-time membership. There is a discount link on the right in the YouTube chat. So check it out, go to the website, read everything you can, ask questions, send an email if you send an email if you have any questions or any doubts, or look back the past 5 years worth of live trading sessions and decide for yourself. The fuck is going on? Guys, mute your mics. How you doing, Ray Carlo? Making money? Yeah, you. Good. Another nice bald man. Looking good, looking sexy. Last NFP of the year. This year just went like this. Blink of an eye, isn't it? Unbelievable.
Yep.
So, are you going to change anything different next year, guys? Do you have these New Year promises like I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna get fit and quit smoking, or all of these? And
no promises.
Why
the quit smoking part I already gave up.
Well,
gain more muscles. I try to gain more muscles.
Hey, look at that. Well, you don't need more muscles, brother. You fucking machine.
No, I'm skinny.
No, you think you're skinny. What was the name of the Jean-Claude Van Damme played a role in The Perfect Soldier? Maybe? Have you seen
Universal
that?
Soldier.
No,
Universal
bro.
Soldier, mate. Epic. That was a good movie. Yeah, you look like Universal Soldier.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
How's life,
And
Tamas?
very good. It's next week I'm on holiday. Everyone's on holiday. 2 weeks.
Yes. Until
Yeah.
next week, I am in Germany, business-wise. I have things to do, accomplish, and on the 23rd of December, back to Dubai, to the family.
Good.
Yes. But
Good.
boring NFP today, huh?
Mate, we made 180 pips and it's still waiting. And if you
I know.
noticed, they revised. They published the
105.
October data, minus
saw it.
105.
Yes,
I
I saw
think
it.
when US is going to open today, when US is opening today, I think the boys are going to push the market into new highs. When you look at my trading view, just look closely at my browser. So we are here. Price is right here.
Yes.
And it's only... It's like 600-700 pips, the previous all-time high. It's easy to reach. If New York has enough power to push price up 600-700 pips, it can reach 1,000 pips and wipe out all of the stop losses above the previous all-time high. That's going to be a fucking massacre, a short squeeze.
I think to buy now because we have a rejection from the daily pivot now, and
Yep.
I think it's a good time to buy into gold now, with a little bit of wider stop loss, you know.
Yeah. That's when you look at my MetaTrader. So I have the stop loss below the weekly. We're at the weekly.
The weekly was a nice support today.
Mate, I missed it. I entered a little bit late.
Me too. Because I didn't integrate it in my trading view. I don't know why. It's a simple trade for me, all the time. Weekly pivot gives every time a good reaction.
Yeah, I know you've been doing that.
Yes, it's one of my favorite setups.
You are my favorite.
Bro, I love you. You know.
That's a lot of public bromance.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's nothing to hide. You know, we love each other. So if we don't look into each other's eyes, it doesn't count as, you know, gay.
A sex act.
Yeah, just don't look into each other's eyes and it's fine.
Man, no. It's all about longevity. It's all about the longevity. You know?
Yeah.
Longer is better.
The only difficult thing is we can't decide who's the bull.
Yes. Who's the bull and who's the bull and who's the brave?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
here
just
trying to learn about net loan charge-offs, and you guys talking about this stuff.
Who's the bull and who's the bear?
Yeah. No gay thing. We just love each other. You know, it's very similar minds. Masculinity, gym.
Yeah.
You know,
yes,
making money.
yes.
You're like Arnold Schwarzenegger and Carl Weather in Predator when they shake their hands.
Yeah. the handshake of gods. Ein Zoom Benutzer. Yeah, guys, it's nothing. It's nothing bad about this. It's 2025. This is, you know, being gay. It's absolutely normal, and it's expected. To be honest, you get jobs because you're gay. Yep.
I'm not gay.
I'm whatever the employer needs.
Adrian, can you hear me?
Yes. Why are you gay?
No. Gayness causes deafness.
Oh man.
It started already, isn't it? You can't hear properly.
Oh. Fuck it.
Almost Christmas.
Yes.
Have you? We were just talking about at the beginning of the stream about blood sausage. You know that, right?
Yes.
Oh, best thing in the world.
Yes, very good.
With mustard, bread, some gherkins.
Yes, fried in the pan. Try to fry it in the pan.
I make it in the oven. It's less smelly.
Yes, it's like porn.
Yeah, I have about 20 kilos in my freezer. Fresh, made this Saturday.
Really?
Yeah. 4 a.m. in the morning. 2 big pigs.
Good.
How many people working?
I think 20 men.
Okay.
And we had the women bringing all the sweets and mulled wine and stuffed cabbage and, you know, just cleaning and everything. So everyone's working 14 hours.
Yeah, I used to go to one of those, but not now.
Yeah, it's good.
Other times, such.
287 kilograms of sausage.
Yeah, that's insane.
Do you know Stieffolder? Stieffolder?
Stieffolder?
Yeah,
No.
it's an Austrian thing, isn't it? Or hold on, let me. Stieffolder. From German settlers. Stiftfolders. Stiftfolders. Fulda. From the Fulda Abbey area in the 18th century, it's known for a mix of raw and cooked pork seasoned with paprika, garlic. I'll show you.
Sounds terrific.
It's like a thick sausage.
Oh yeah. I know.
That's it. Yep. Oh god, look at that.
Good.
That's the only sausage I can accept. In my mouth.
Oh man. Good decision. Running 70 pips profit now.
Yep.
Let's push it.
Oh, whoa, look at that. Pushing again. We're going to have a new all-time high today. Microman says we won't be able to make a new all-time high before the CPI. No, it's cool. New York is gonna push the price up. Relax, brother.
Looking good now.
Thank you. I had a shower. I washed my hair. That's why I look good.
Was a good decision.
Question is, which hair?
Do you use head? You use Head and Shoulders, Tomasz?
Now it's back and shoulders. Because all my hair went from my head to my back.
Hey, wie geht's? Alles gut?
Super good, yeah.
Ja, man.
Well, when you reach 30, you get all your hair on your back and your ass.
Yes. Get 30, try to come to 40.
Oh, mate. It's horrible.
I have knots all the time, you know, knots.
Honestly, anyone above 40 must go to the gym and get fucking ripped. There's no other way.
Yes.
I see people like they lose themselves, they get fat and
No.
Get checked.
No.
All it takes is just a divorce or something.
Then your girlfriend leaves you. Then your girlfriend leaves you and you get an huh?
No. You have to be married and have a
Mate,
daughter.
our future wife's only finishing high school.
Hit the fucking gym.
You have to stay on top of things.
Yes. It's discipline.
Discipline.
He wants to stay top of my wife?
Didn't say that. You don't want that. You don't want that, Thomas.
No. Okay, guys, we are running in profit, balls deep. I mean, very nice profits today again. Even with the late entries, we are making money. This is thanks to the proper analysis, preparation, and me.
And balls.
Yep. And we got balls for sure.
And your big balls. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yep. There's a big yep.
Harry balls.
I
somewhere.
Nah.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's not talk about my balls because you know I don't want to put anyone in.
Hey, this is the only This is the only trading group where you can laugh, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
The 4 hour tries to close above the pivot. Then we are good to go, man.
It's going to be new all-time high today.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah.
Let's fucking go. Push it down.
Where's the pivot? Which one is that? Is that the
daily?
Yes.
The 4320?
It's just testing now.
Yeah. Going up.
I think we get a little bit of rejection and then we fly in the US session.
We don't expect rejections.
Like the boss is telling us.
Yeah, I don't take rejections. I don't accept them simply.
Yeah.
You don't like to be ignored.
Yep. Guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I made 200 pips for you, so.
Thomas, what's your advice? Stay in the trade or would you?
Ask your wallet. Can you afford to lose that running money now?
No, actually not. I'm gonna put my stop loss.
I always say it's individual decision.
Yeah,
you know, we have other data coming up in an hour. You know that. We have still running the headline risk. So many things can change within minutes. So ask yourself, can you afford to lose that money, which is floating right now? Are you happy with it? If you can afford to risk it to get the biscuit later, maybe at the new all-time high, then just leave a runner, put it in break even, or depending on your position size, you don't even need a stop loss. Like, you know, ask yourself. But I'm going to hold it at least. I'm not 100% sure, but I have the confidence that it's going to reach 4,345, which is another 300 pips from here, and then create a new all-time high. It has every potential. The probability is on our side. Unemployment have increased to 4.6%. What was the last time? When was the last time when unemployment was 4.6%? Back in 2021, right in the middle of COVID, 4 years ago. And if you don't count COVID, then it was back in 2016, the last time when unemployment was at 4.6%. Ignore COVID.
We are flying. now.
9 years ago, 10 years ago was the last time when it was this low, this high, the unemployment.
We just took the Lufthansa.
Yes.
For
Almost 200
250 pips profit.
Yes.
Guys, join the AlphaFX community. Stop wasting your money on signal services. Buy the lifetime package and you're set for life.
Period.
Yes.
It's in the YouTube chat, the link. It's pinned. If you made money today, invested money in your education. I'm not saying to get more money. I don't need more money. But I'm not going to give anything for free. Because we get too many scammers joining for the low £59. But if you want to learn something, you have to pay for it. The best way is to learn economics, because the market is moved by macroeconomics, not by trend lines. Technical analysis is a great way to learn about the market, but don't rely on it alone itself. I never seen one technical trader who ever made consistent profits. Yes, Adrian.
And life advice is for free.
Yeah. Health. Sports.
Yes.
How to pick up girls. So Adrian is the dating advisor. He's the personal trainer of the group. He's the, handsome number one. So, but you got life advice. It's all in one.
Yes.
The next channel I'm going to do on the server is going to be, some dressing tips, design, clothing.
Good.
And then we're going to do a grilling, meat section. What else? Anyway, we make a man out of you if you join. Trust me.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving the stream.
Yep, I just wanted to say goodbye. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much, boss. See you all.
Thanks, Thomas.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See
Bye.
you
Thank
tomorrow,
you.
Thomas.
Bye.
Let's go.
And back again, guys. Honestly, you see the power of economics and macroeconomics. I'm not familiar with how many traders and influencers doing the same kind of education live and put their money where their mouth is with live trading. But you can see the result. It's running at 241 pips as we speak. And I entered late, but not that late. It was before NFP and during NFP. If you want to learn how to trade fundamental news, macroeconomics, economic data, geopolitical, and sometimes political, but definitely monetary news, instead of drawing trend lines and losing money, this is a one-time fee of £199. I'm not going to give anything for free. This is silly. There's no free lunch. If you want to get into the club, if you want to get my signals, get my trades, then go to alphafx.eu. And I'm not talking rubbish. I was a former fixed income trader and cash equities. You can read everything about me. Even my one of my qualification is up on the website as well. I'm a trained economist who worked at the fixed income market. Everything is here on my walls. UK regulation, financial regulation, securities, financial markets, derivatives. I've got a bunch of certificates which proves that I'm a legit financial trader. Go to alphafx.eu and stop wasting your money. Thank you so much, guys. I'm not sure if we're going to have any other live stream this year. Definitely members will have a Thursday NFP, CPI. I'm not sure if I'm going to stream it because I want to keep it small, but I will think about it. If you want to get in to the last few streams of the 2025, and if you want to get signals, and if you want to start the year with us, go to alphafx.eu, because the discount link in the YouTube chat has only 2 memberships available. After that, I will close it down, and the new year prices will go up. So the lifetime membership is going to be £699. The monthly is going to be £99. So hurry while it's last, and I hope you made enough money today to sign up for a membership. If not, then I'm happy that you made money. Use it wisely, and if you get in trouble or if you need advice, come to the next stream. I'm here to help. Drop me a message. I'm happy to help, but not for everyone. You know, I don't have time to reply to everyone. I try to do my best to give advice. I hope you made some money today and continue to do so in the future. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas. This is the Alpha FX.